Burned out from the never-ending barrage of calls, texts, emails, and letters from relentless real estate investors and agents who are pushing you incessantly to buy, list, or lease your home, there's a solution. Introducing our free ebook, Why DIY Lease Purchase Option for Homeowners. This resource is a perfect match homeowners who are looking to lease their homes directly to tenant buyers themselves. Dive into this ebook and learn why going the DIY lease purchase option route is a wise choice, leaving you in control and keeping more of your equity. And there's more. We're excited to announce the release of our upcoming course on this topic, launching in beta this coming February 2024. Stay tuned. Our online course offers a comprehensive guide for homeowners to navigate the process of leasing their homes to tenant buyers, bypassing the need for real estate agents or dealing with investors. Discover the secrets of preserving 25% to 35% of your equity and income up front. The significant savings are not to be underestimated. Consider saving 25% on a home sale of $470,000 or more. That's a considerable amount of around $117,500. The accompanying ebook demystifies this process. It explains in depth how these savings are made possible and how you can leverage them. Moreover, it serves as your gateway to access the course in its beta version. So it's not just about saving money, but also about giving you an exclusive sneak peek into our future course. Our course is geared towards teaching you how to efficiently utilize your property to generate an income up front, ensure your monthly mortgage payment is covered, and even garner additional revenue post the mortgage payment. Furthermore, we shall delve into the merits and demerits of choosing to work with agents or investors. A.D. Barnes Investment Management LLC is a guiding force for homeowners looking to bypass large real estate agent commissions during the sale of their property. We educate them on strategies to keep more money in their pockets, ways to generate profit without the headache of monthly mortgage payments or the hassle of repair costs. A.D. Barnes firmly believes in the homeowners, the ones who have invested their heart and soul into their property, reaping the major benefits of their investment, particularly their equity and income. We present homeowners with the advantages and disadvantages of taking a DIY approach with our support, or considering partnership with A.D. Barnes LLC. In doing so, homeowners can avoid exorbitant real estate commissions, utilize lease purchase or lease options themselves, and secure the additional income instead of letting it slip into investors' pockets. With A.D. Barnes Investment Management LLC, homeowners can effortlessly preserve 25% to 35% or more of their equity and income stemming from their properties. Our aim is to assist you in creating an impressive nest egg through maximization of funds, further contributing to your financial stability. It's not the agents or investors, but you, the homeowners, who make the key decisions. Engage with our course to enable you to take control.